Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a fish, duck, butterfly and frog. Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing a fish. Its tail. Let's draw some drops of water. Let's draw a duck right here. Its legs. Let's draw a butterfly. Butterflies are so colorful. I'm going to paint with rainbow colors. Amazing! Finally, let's draw a frog. Well done! Now, let's make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Purple. Orange.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon
Pink.
painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Light blue. Red. Green.
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to
Yellow.
2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my
Blue.
darling.
It's going to be so colorful after the painting.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner,
Learning
what'll I
color
do?
is so much fun.
My darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true.
They look so amazing. See you on the next video.